everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited because today I'm going to be doing something a lot different than normal and different than anything I've seen on YouTube. I'm going to be doing a unboxing, but the crazy thing is that I'm doing 6 months worth one company's unboxing. So let's get started. Here are all the boxes. I've been sitting around for a few months now. At first I wanted to do a monthly unboxing, then I was like, you know what if I saved them all and did a whole 6-month trial unboxing thing. So all of these samples and products have just been sitting in a corner of my room getting really dusty, and I'm like, you know what, it's time to finally do this so I can throw these boxes away and keep the product that's inside of them. The first box I think was from February. That's how long I've had these. So I know I've used some of the products out of them, but I think they're all mostly intact. I know I've tried some samples of things and there have been a couple of things that I've actually completely used. So this first one is Aubane Rehydrating Serum. I'm sorry if I botched all of these names. Oh my god, it's tiny. Look how small this is. I've never heard of this brand. A little bit goes a long way. It does feel very hydrating. This is Briogeo Roscaro milk. I feel like an idiot. A leave-in conditioning spray. I'm all for a leave-in conditioning spray. And this, it doesn't look like a ton, but I feel like this size would be, you know, good for a couple of uses. So, ooh, it does smell nice. I like the smell. Next is a MAC strobe cream, and I actually have one of these. I like it. I don't really use it. Not really a fan of like cream highlighter, but I get it's a decent size for a sample. This is the Milk Makeup Ubame mascara. I actually tried this when I got it and I really like this. I love the packaging. I like this brush. So definitely a fan of this one. I just thought that was so cool, like mascara that's in a little tube, and I really like it. So this is Super Goop CC Cream. I know Birchbox is all about CC cream. Not a fan. Having really terrible skin, I feel like CC cream doesn't do anything. So I did try this and I really didn't do much, but I wasn't expecting anything. I was kind of disappointed. I mean, I don't really like CC cream, so it's not a huge deal, but the sample was really small. I did like how all of the products match color-wise. They're all white. I thought that was a nice little theme. So this next box was from Mark. I need wine for this. Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. I really like the packaging on this. It's nice and bright and colorful, and I think I've used something from them before, but I can't remember. I know I've seen the brand. I'm like, I like that. So it does smell really nice. Dr. Lip Miracle Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. For all of your glossy bits, use Dr. Lips. So I actually did use this one and I really liked it. I thought it did help with the cracking and dryness on my lips. That was really nice. I have seen this brand around, but I don't know how to pronounce their name. What? Okay, just please don't judge me on this. There's too many makeup brands for me to know how to pronounce every single one. So anyway, it's a leave-in conditioner. Again, we got one last month, but always good to have. It smells a little old lady-ish. This is Real Chemistry Luscious 3-Minute Peel. I've never tried anything from Real Chemistry. I would love to do a peel mask though. And the fact that it's only 3 minutes is pretty cool, except this is tiny. I don't know how this is gonna fit on my face. Glazed Lips Donut Lip Gloss. Say that 10 times fast. It's very light and shimmery. This would be really pretty over like a brownish nude. Doesn't really smell like anything. Was hoping it would smell like a glazed donut. So this whole box, it was okay. Just like more samples. Here we have April. I love the colors of this one. First product is Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is one of the things that I used. I took out of here I needed a new mascara and I tried it and I was like, holy shit, and I'm in love with this mascara. This was great. Thank you, Birchbox, because I ended up loving this. It is Coola 30 SPF Organic Makeup Setting Spray. I love this color. Oh no, it smells like rubbing alcohol. I don't trust this. It's organic. It smells like rubbing alcohol when you first spray it. Now it smells like Old Lady. Not a huge fan. Maybe it works really great. It smells like alcohol. This is Jane Iredale's Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain. I'm all for a lip and cheek stain, especially in the spring. This is literally miniature though, like it's hard for me to even hold this. It's so small. So here we have another, well, this one's a BB cream. It's by Marcel. It's Golden Glow Skin Enhancer. Way too dark for me. I guess with a fake tan it could work, but again, not a huge fan of BB creams. These are Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. I am all for that. Heck yes. Super excited. I might even use these tonight. I've been wanting to use some eye pads and these might be perfect. Overall with this box, I was really happy with that mascara. The eye pads might turn out to be great. The lip and cheek stain is alright. The BB cream's, you know, it's BB cream. And then the setting spray, it might be good, but it smells like alcohol. So this one is alright. This guy is the month of May, my birthday, the best month ever. I love these colors. It reminds me of a duckling. Like, it's just so cute. Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle Leave-In Conditioner. I like the packaging. It's very badass. It smells okay. Kind of concerning. I mean, for me, it's not a huge deal, but it's definitely got like an orangey tint. So if you are blonde, then maybe don't use this. This little guy is Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow. It's a pretty golden brown color, coppery. I like that. Number 4, High Performance Hair Care Sugar Texturizing Spray. Again, texturizing spray is good, leave-in conditioner is good, but it's like, do you guys have any other hair products that we can sample? Again, like an old lady would wear, like old lady perfume. This is Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. I've been wanting to try this brand because of the name, and my husband's name is Riley. That's the only reason. It smells like oranges. I do like that in a moisturizer. Their brand looks like they make some decent stuff. They seem to be pretty popular, so this is cool. It's very small, but the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. Nourished with coconut oil. Okay, anything with coconut oil in it, I'm sold. I love the little milk cartons. Illuminizing milk for face. So it's basically like a liquid highlighter. Again, not a huge fan of liquid highlighters. I feel like they just kind of smear and get muddy with everything else, but I do like the packaging, so I'll try it. It seriously looks like nail polish. Like, it's in a glass container. Super cool for all of these. I'm pretty satisfied on this one. 2 decent sized hair care sprays, eyeshadow, kind of small little moisturizer, and then the pretty decent sized liquid highlighter. That was a pretty good box. Maybe it was because it was my birthday. So this is the June box. I like the packaging on this one for sure. And then there's little people on the side. It's like, oh, it's so cute. All right. This first guy is Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated what do I want to say? Serum. Feels really nice. It feels nice. Lumavale Beauty On The Go Mattifying Primer SPF 50 in beige. Now I hate when they send me any primers that are tinted. I don't like tinted primers. I hate how it smells. Oh god. The beige blended out and it wasn't really tinted. I don't get the point of tinted primers for your face because you're just gonna put something over it. But whatever. I'm gonna kill it. Apres Beach. Wave and Shine Spray. It's a new hair product. It's not just a detangler. It's not just a leave-in conditioner. It's not just a texturizing spray. This is a Wave and Shine Spray. So good job, Birchbox. You gave me something different. Oribe is a really good brand, and this is a pretty decent size. I love the smell of Oribe. Peak Beauty Metallic Naturally Quick Drying Blush in the shade Abu. Get it? Because like peekaboo. It's so cute. This shade is very pretty. Not usually a fan of cream blushes, but I really like this shade. Purity Made Simple Moisturizer from Philosophy. Ultra Light Moisturizer. Not a super huge fan. I feel like they're okay. It feels very cooling and refreshing. It smells like an old lady. Like everyone I know who likes Philosophy is usually an older woman, and that's cool, but God, it smells like an old lady. Why does everything smell like an old lady? It's more one. For this box, I'm decently satisfied. So we have the little blush, Oribe, which is great. There's a serum as well as a moisturizer and a mattifying primer that is shit. Another very cute package. So it came with Davines Love Smoothing Shampoo and Davines Love Smoothing Conditioner. The shampoo was like this big. Those little tiny sample plastic ripped the side off and squeezed out. So I only got like a use out of that. I freaking love them. They were great. Like I would buy the full size of that. It was a great size, super happy. This box was actually really good, and I don't know if it was because it's the last box that I was sent, but Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. I like how it's coming out. It looks like it's gonna be a decent eyeliner. So pretty satisfied with that. This is the City 24-Hour Anti-Pollution Day and Night Moisturizing Emulsion. It's an emulsion. I like how it feels, not a huge fan of how it smells. This is the Makeup Drop, the original silicone makeup applicator. So I tried another silicone makeup applicator, wasn't impressed, and I never tried this one. Maybe it's better because it's the original, but definitely something I'm interested in trying. Lastly, we have another product from Oribe, Matte Waves Texture Lotion. Another texture thing for your hair. It smells like Oribe. I will probably use this. Overall, I really like this box. It did come with this shampoo and conditioner that I've already used and I loved. The liner, Oribe texture lotion, the makeup drop, great things. Definitely want to try the makeup drop. The primer that it came with, decent feeling, doesn't smell great, but I'll go ahead and try it out. So that was all 6 months of Birchbox for me. It was an interesting experience, and I definitely got a lot of products that I've never heard of the brands before, some things I've been wanting to try. So I think that they sent me things that I probably wouldn't have bought just on my own, and that's kind of what I liked about it, because I'm very like, okay, I'm only gonna buy what I need, what I really want, those kinds of things. If it doesn't look like something awesome that I really want to try, I'm not just gonna go out of my way to be like, oh, I heard of this really obscure brand, let me go and try it. It's hit and miss. I mean, they can't make everyone happy. I think that's why they send so many like different things every time, but I did end up getting a few very similar things, but it's weird that I didn't get like anything powder. Every 6 month period is going to be different. I'm glad that I kind of did this all at once. This way I kind of have like an overall vision of what they do over a 6 month subscription. So I know a lot of people aren't super happy with subscription boxes, and a lot of people, you know, they make all these unboxing videos and they're like, Birchbox sucks, whatever. Like, I get that. I get that you guys are really picky, and a lot of people just want to make videos to be super negative because people like to watch that and people like to hear other people bitch. But I'm not trying to make like a clickbait video and be like, Birchbox question mark, horrible, disappointed. Overall, decent experience, got some good products, and I don't see why so many people are bashing it. But let me know what you guys think. If you've gotten Birchbox before, if you did the 6 months, if you just did 1 month, like what were your guys' thoughts? How did you feel about Birchbox? I've never done a subscription box before. I've never done Ipsy, none of the other ones. So this was the only one I've ever done other than Birchbox, but that's for my dog. Let me know in the comments. Please go ahead, like, again, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I'm super thankful to have all of you as subscribers, and even you just coming in to check the video out. Appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great night. Bye.